Hey guys, welcome to Ruthdy Organics. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have another natural treatment for you people. This one is for those suffering from asthma, those suffering from chronic asthma. Yeah, I've brought another remedy for you people. You know, I deal with leaves and herbs. So all this while I'll be teaching about leaves, the various leaves that are just around our localities that we don't know, that treat so many illnesses. So this is the leaf. The botanical name for this leaf is called Tawa Tawa. You can Google search it, you see it is there in the internet. Tawa Tawa plants, that's the name of the leaf. Look at the leaf very well. Look at the leaf and the seeds. That's it. So it is called Tawa Tawa leaf. Tawa Tawa leaf, that's the leaf. So I'll be back to tell you people how you can use this leaf to treat asthma. It treats asthma very well. So before I tell you people, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, welcome back. So I said I'm going to tell you people about this leaf that we call it Tawa Tawa plant. So if you are suffering from asthma, don't worry yourself again. I know you have been taking inhaler, you have been taking this, you have been taking that, you have been taking that to relieve yourself from all the symptoms and signs of asthma, or to even cure yourself from asthma. But this simple leaf will help you cure that asthma. What you do is that you go to where you get these leaves in large quantity. You can go, you get some of it, you plant it around your compound, so it will be easier for you. Anytime that you need the leaf, you just go there and pluck. So this leaf, you take it, get a handful of it, wash it. Don't remove the, because here there are leaves and there are something like it flowers, or call it the seeds, because this one, if you plant this one, it will grow. So we take the flowers and the leaves, everything, even the stem, all of them are useful. As it is like this, even the roots are useful. Just put everything inside water. That handful that you have, put it inside a bowl of water, wash it very well to remove any sand or dirt that might be in the leaves. So after washing it, now you can put water in the fire, 1 liter of water, because 1 handful goes for a liter of water. You put a liter of water on the fire for it to boil. After boiling, you bring it down, you steep the leaves inside. Steep the leaves inside boiling water. You steep it for like 5 minutes. Everything inside the leaf will get into the water. So you squeeze. After 5 minutes, you can squeeze, like to remove everything, to make sure all the nutrients, everything is out. You can squeeze like this. Then you sieve. You drink 1 glass in the morning when you have not eaten anything, and 1 glass at night before you sleep. Do that continuously. You can do it for 2 weeks. You check yourself. After 2 weeks, you check yourself. You see the difference. You yourself, you feel the difference, how you used to be when you had not started taking this leaf, and the results now after 2 weeks. You feel yourself, and you know if you continue to take the leaf, and normally you continue to take it, because normally it's good to take the treatment for at least 1 month. So you continue taking the leaf until 1 month time. Then you go back for checkup. You go back for checkup for that asthma that has been disturbing you for so long. Go back and check it and see the result. Yes. And then for asthma, I will not only tell you that use only this leaf. I always advise on supplements. Buy your supplements. Buy your asthma supplements. There are so many of them over the counter. There are asthma supplements over the counter, and you can still decide to take like 2 different treatments for asthma. If you really want to go natural, you can decide to take 2 of them. You can take this one. There is another one, that's snail's water, that they call it snail slime. It's snail slime and honey. You take snail slime, mix it with honey, shake it inside a container, and take 3 spoons in the morning, 3 spoons in the evening. You can combine it with this leaf for good and effective results within 1 month, and asthma will vanish from your system. It's not treatment, it's cure. asthma will vanish from your system. So this leaf, Tawa Tawa herbal plant, that's the name of it, is very good in the treatment of asthma. So that's what I have for you for asthma. But as I said earlier, it's not only asthma that this leaf treats. It has other health benefits that I'll still explain to you, like the rampant COVID-19 that we have now. I have not said it treats it, but it can treat it by the grace of God. But it relieves you from all the symptoms of COVID-19. This leaf, it relieves you from all the symptoms, whether it's fever, whether it's cough, whether it's this intestinal problem, gastrointestinal problems like diarrhea, dysentery, your intestines have done and everything that's associated with COVID-19. Get this leaf. You can squeeze. Some people just even eat it like that without even just wash it very well, and you eat and you start eating. Yes, you can still eat it like that, and it will still work for you very well. You can still steep it in hot water and drink. You can still, even when you put it inside water, you inhale the scent. You put that vapor, you inhale the scent. You see yourself out that fever or flu, cough that was disturbing you. See how it will calm down. Yes, it will calm down very well. The leaf is a very good leaf. Those suffering from any respiratory problem, respiratory failure, be it flu, which is catarrh, be it cough, those suffering from dry cough, it softens the coughs and makes it that mucus to come out. Those suffering from dry cough, don't bypass this leaf. If you have something from dry cough, you have that dysentery, you have diarrhea, all those things, don't bypass this leaf. It even treats infection. It treats so many illnesses. Some people just call it like their hospital at home, this leaf, because when they are sick, you just go and take it, chew it. You see how your problem will be subsiding. Those suffering from high blood, those suffering from sugar, all those things, make use of this leaf. It's a very good leaf. So that's why I said I should bring it to you people today and explain it to you what this leaf does to your system, so that next time that you're passing and you see the leaf, you pluck it and just rinse and even just chew, and you see how it will react on your body. It's a very good leaf. If you have any question, you have any doubts, go to my comment section and leave your question, and I'll be there to answer you. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking me. Thank you for liking my page. Thank you for everything. I love you all. Love you guys. Bye.